All right, so it looks like this one would be a precursor to the last one. I should have found this clip first because this is just another dumbass clip giving you basic instructions on how to start an LLC, and it doesn't even give good detailed instructions. Now, this chick has 3,825 likes as of December 23rd, 2023. Now, I can't tell you how many posts that I've actually seen like this, where it's just some chick or some dude on some exotic location. In this case, it's just Vegas, a film of Vegas, giving you information that you can't even really apply. Now, I went to this chick's Instagram page, and of course, she's got a course for sale. So she's going to post salacious information like this, which actually leads you nowhere, in hopes that it will spark your attention and be able to push you to her website to buy her course. Why would you buy the course based on this? Nowhere in this video does she mention the fact that you should start earning money somewhere, somehow, before you start looking for credit. And if you're starting a business where you have to use credit before you start earning any money, that business has a 99% chance that it's going to fail and leave you in more debt. If the first step that you're taking to build credit in your business is to apply for a gang of net 30 accounts, I'm going to revert back to that other video. You probably don't need business credit right now. You probably need a lesson in sales, marketing, how to run a business properly, and you need to get your personal credit in line. Stop letting these people fool you out of thousands of dollars, because all you're going to do at the end of the day is end up with less money in your pocket and still having an illegitimate business that makes no money. But now you'll be in debt. Listen, guys, if you like this video and you want to see more content just like it, make sure that you like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell so that you get alerts every time I drop a new video. Now, a lot of people who watch my content, just like most people in America, are facing credit challenges and don't really know what to do and don't know where to turn, because you don't want to spend a whole bunch of money trying to fix your credit, but you want a viable option to make sure that you do the best job possible. A few months back, I dropped a brand new platform that will allow you to challenge anything on your credit that's inaccurate, unfairly reported, being reported untimely, or is unverifiable by the credit bureaus. And it will allow you to do it for a fraction of the cost of professional credit repair. I want you to go to beastdiy.com right now and check out your options. If it seems like it might be a good fit, give it a shot. Other than that, I want to thank you guys so much for your support, because I know you can get your credit knowledge anywhere on the internet, but you're here with me. Be blessed.